You want to keep it straightforward. And what you want to be able to do is follow these four steps, and I'll quickly run through each one. But it's really important to be able to have a methodology and a solution that provides that capability, a repeatable capability, because things change all the time. So let's
Sure.
start with step one. Step one is data. So everybody knows the term garbage in, garbage out. But now, when you're talking about an end to end supply chain, and you're looking at every product, every way that product traverses your operational network, you can be into the billions of transactions. And typically for us, for customers, about 4 billion transactions. So you want to be able to understand how you want to be able to track that information, where the sources of that information are, and be
Hmm.
able to ensure that every time you look at your cost to serve and your net landed profit, that it is a complete picture of the operation. So getting the data ready is essential. It's the foundation for a solid cost to serve and profit solution. So yeah, let's move to step two. So you've got the data ready, right? And everybody feels that it can be trusted and used. So now what you want to do is what we call AIM. And that is, as you think about your cost to serve model for your specific organization, you don't want it to be cookie cutter. You want it to reflect the actual ways that your revenues are reduced through chargebacks or discounts and all the
Hmm.
cost line items that are really important to you. And you want to be sure that as you have the data that is ready, you're using that to create a cost to serve and a actual net landed profit that is tailored to your organization. So that is AIM, and making sure those rules are well established and always used exactly the same way until the organization has made a decision they want to adjust something. So
Okay.
cross functionally, everyone has agreed to the way you're going to treat cost and profit performance. So step three is fire. So now we have this cost and profit detail that goes again beyond standard cost accounting, and we want to be able to use it to solve problems today. So, as an example, what customers are we making money on? What customers are totally unprofitable? Same for products. Looking at ways that you've deployed inventory that are actually burdening your profit in a way that you didn't quite see before,
Hmm.
or looking at profit leakage. There are many ways, risk management, looking at suppliers that are providing products that actually aren't performing that well. So there are a whole host of different ways that you can actually apply this information. We strongly suggest that you use the information to solve one or two of those problems in fire and not try to do all of that at once.
Right.
Really get the benefit of having that kind of information, let the organization see it, create a huge win, and then the organization will continue to support what you're doing and grow the use of that information. And
Different
that
solutions.
leads us to step four. And step four, as we all know, the world is changing at a rapid pace. And so what you want to do is have all of this set up when you're actually looking at the ready, the aim, and the fire so that it's repeatable, and it's repeatable in a way that's very efficient, doesn't take a lot of time, because again, if it becomes burdensome in time, oftentimes the whole effort is just,
Yeah.
kind of slips away, if you will. So
No problem.
measure is saying, okay, we've updated the data. Did the decisions that we make, are they working, and are there new opportunities that we didn't see before that we can take advantage of? So it's a cycle, as you have in this graphic, and being able to look at those updates and be able to continue to gain competitive advantage.